Watch and learn, pal. Where you going, Toots?
To see the one.
Winston's the one?
1, 2, 3. Sorry, friend. How about we play Bounce Mouse instead? I bet that's Toodles again. It's Toodles again.
Hello, the one.
What you doing that for, Winston?
A matchmaker told Toodles I'm the one. Her perfect match. The yin to her yang. The cat to her nip. The ding to her dong.
Winston, I can hear you in there.
Aren't you gonna open it?
She's gonna want a date.
Don't you want a date?
I've never been on a date.
Don't you worry. Me and Uncle Jer will be your date coaches.
Winston! Okay, big boy, enough pussyfooting around. You and me, Friday, the French Cafe. See you at 8, hot stuff.
What's he got that I don't?
A date with me?
Things go bad on that date, I'll be there to mop up. Nothing like a rude French waiter to ruin a romantic dinner for two. Bonjour.
Roses are red. Violets are blue. I always thought violets were violet. Otherwise, wouldn't they be called blues?
Why don't you give the poetry a rest? I know. Let's practice your dance moves.
Ooh, good idea. I love dancing. Sorry, little friend.
Maybe dancing isn't such a good idea. Maybe you should just bring her flowers.
Is one flower enough?
Now to learn some good manners. Pretend I'm Toodles and Jerry is you. See how he pulls the chair out for me? That's manners.
Sorry.
This is gonna be harder than we thought.